on to the details of the vaccine distribution, and it's getting more clear right now because we're all aware that the first COVID-19 vaccines from Sinovac will arrive tomorrow. So the first 200,000 doses will arrive tomorrow morning as scheduled. But Dr. Tawisin also announced today as to more details of who will be getting the vaccine first. So the CCSA spokesperson, Dr. Tawisin Wisnuyotin, said during the press briefing today that the distribution will be split into two phases. For the first phase, the first 200,000 doses of Sinovac vaccines will be distributed to 50 hospitals in 13 provinces with the highest infection rates or with the greatest economic significance. So the provinces with the highest infection rates are, of course, Samut Sakhon, the western part of Bangkok, Pathum Thani, Nonthaburi, Samut Prakan, Tak, especially in the Masot district, Nakhon Pathom, Samut Songkhram, and Ratchaburi, whereas the four provinces with the greatest economic significance are Chonburi, Phuket, Surat Thani, and that includes Koh Samui and Chiang Mai. So the first phase will cover frontline medical personnel, people with severe diseases, those over 60 years of age, other officials responsible for the control of the coronavirus, and those in close contact with patients, such as those in state quarantine. As for phase 2, around 800,000 more doses are expected in March, and there's 1 million more in April. Also, there's AstraZeneca that will deliver 26 million doses from June to August, and another 35 million doses from September to December. The second phase will also cover medical personnel, those in tourism and related sectors, such as hotel staff, tour guides, sports people, international travelers, such as pilots, businessmen, diplomats, workers in industrial and service sectors. Meanwhile, the Public Health Minister Anutin Chanvirakul said today that the Food and Drug Administration registered the Chinese-made COVID-19 vaccine Sinovac in its approved drugs list on Monday, 2 days ahead of the arrival of the first shipment this Wednesday. And at the same time, Prime Minister General Prayut Chan-o-cha will also be at the Suvarnabhumi International Airport tomorrow to preside over the official ceremony to receive the COVID-19 vaccines. At the same time, the Prime Minister also posted on his Facebook on the first 200,000 doses of the Sinovac vaccine, where he said that the inoculations will hopefully start within 3 days. And that wraps up tonight's edition of Thai PBS World Tonight. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. สวัสดีค่ะ